Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Oh, alam ko, happy birthday yan. Alam ko naririnig nyo, birthday. Si Mr. Singh kasi yan. Indiano si Mr. Singh yung kumanta. Kaya ganyan yung yung accent, yung intonation. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Si Mr. Singh, ang apelido niya, Geltooth. Kaya, Single Tooth. And you guessed it right. Pag nasalubong niyo siya, nakita niyo, iisa lang yung ngipin niya. Mr. Single Tooth. Famous people celebrating their birthdays today. This one's being brought to you by Royal Duty Free Shops. And hey, check out the Chocolate Festival. Catch our Chocolate Festival. Enjoy up to 20% off October 24 to the 26th. All right? Ayan, the Chocolate Festival at Royal Duty Free. Plus, Halloween dress-up delight. Come in costume from 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. for the trick-or-treat fun. And get a free bag of candies and sweets happening October 25. All right? Chocolate Festival is from Chocolate Sale, 24 to 26. Pero yung Halloween Dress-Up Delight, October 25. O mag-costume lang daw kayo, no? Any costume, whatever. Trick-or-treating to, no? Especially for kids. Wala naman sinabing kids lang. So, adults pwede rin. Okay? And meron pang spin and win promo. Shop 4,500 pesos worth. With 2 participating items of chocolate for a chance to spin and win prizes. Okay? So, catch the New Arrivals Chocolate Festival and the Chocolate Sale at Royal Duty Free Shops. Okay? And the famous people celebrating the birthdays today, Filipino basketball player Mark Pingris is one of today's birthday celebrants. Also si Rosa Rosal, nako, Filipino actress and napaka-noble ng ano nito ni Rosa Rosal eh. Is she still around? Kasi she's really really old na si Rosa Rosal. She is a blood donor. And yung blood donation is yung kanyang advocacy yan. Buong buhay niya dinedicate niya na diyan eh. That's why you can see she's really 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 payat. Payat lang talaga siya. Hindi naman siya naubusan ng dugo. Pero, yeah, regularly nagdo-donate siya. Like yours truly, every 3 months, we donate. Kaya kung pag nakita mo si Rosa Rosal, lean lang siya no? Hindi siya and she has a good skin, even though she's old. It's not all wrinkly. Kasama kasi sa, sa side effect ng pagiging regular blood donor is having a beautiful and radiant skin. Oh, in case you don't know, ha? Ayan, regular donor. Kaya lang ako, sunog ako sa araw. Nagmamotorsiklo kasi ako eh. Tsaka nagbabicycle, kaya ayun. Pero ano pa rin, kutis, ano pa rin ako? Kutis putragis. Rosa Rosal and awesome singer, amazing singer, great singer, Jobit Baldovino. Diba? Oh, he's one of today's birthday celebrants, Filipino singer and actor. He was the first winner of Pilipinas Got Talent, the very first. Yan. Si Jobit Baldovino ba yung nag-revive ng Pusong Bato? Tama ba? Di mo alam dahil walang ulam. Ako'y di makakain. Di rin makatulog dahil ang daming lamok. Galing ng hindi siya original nun, pero yeah. Si Jobit Baldovino. And do you guys know? Yeah, he passed away, right? Recently, si Jobit Baldovino. Tama ba ako? Yeah. Okay. And here's a good trivia about Jobit. Yung pangalan niya kaya Jobit, he's a big fan of Bon Jovi. Sinabi nga niya yun. He's a big fan of Bon Jovi. He sings Bon Jovi songs, All right? And I'm glad before he passed away, a couple of days after before he passed away, I was able to make him smile. Hindi po payabang lang to. This really happened. Kasi in the Mardi Gras a couple of years ago, that wasn't last year, the other year yata. Napangiti ko siya eh. Sabi ko gano'n sa kanya. Sayang hindi niya kinanta yung yung Pusong Bato. Kasi everybody's waiting for Pusong Bato, kaya lang iba yung kinanta niya. I think meron siyang new single, tsaka iba pa. So nung paalis na siya, sabi ko sayang hindi niya kinanta yung Pusong Bato. Meron akong sariling version nun eh. Sabi kong gano'n. Yun nga yung kinanta ko. Di mo lang dahil walang ulam. Ako'y di makakain. Narinig niya yun. He looked back at me and he smiled. Yun. Tapos kaya lang after a couple of days, after that, yun, he passed away. Alright. So, yeah. Okay. So, Jobit. Idol. Jobit Baldovino. Such a great, great singer. Okay. And some more birthday celebrants here. Happy birthday also to the following. Are you familiar with Angry Grandpa? Oh, maraming YouTube follower to kasi he posts funny videos, many funny videos kung saan yun nga yung character niya. He's the Angry Grandpa and he's really funny. But he passed away in 2017 pa, no? But you can still see his works, the things he did on YouTube. Just look it up. And John Mayer, singer John Mayer. Your body is a wonderland. He turns 48 today. Happy birthday to you, John Mayer. Next up, we have happy birthday also to Flea. Flea, in case you don't know, Flea, as in, yeah, Flea, Garapata. Flea, yun talaga yung moniker niya, no? He is the bass guitarist of the band Red Hot Chili Peppers. All right. What's your most favorite Red Hot Chili Peppers? Well, isa sa pinaka-popular is ano no? Give it away, give it away, give it away now. Diba, nagkaroon, even the Indians, ito si Mr. Singletooth, yung singer natin kanina ng Happy Birthday. Even the Indians, the dudes from India, not Indian, hindi yung Indian pa na kakana-kana. The Indian from, yeah, I mean, the tech support guys. The BPO, business process outsourcing with lots of computers and scamming. Even the Indians had their version ng give it away. Give it away, give it away now. Give it away, give it away now. Why are we giving it away? We are kuripot. Okay, sige. Let's move on. Baka magalit sa akin yun. No, I love yung mga Indian friends na. I love them. I know a couple of them. I love their culture. Gusto. Alam mo on YouTube, yung mga video ni Drew Binsky, ni Bald and Bankrupt, si Baldy. Pinapanood ko yung mga travel nila sa India. India may be chaotic, maybe dirty, but if you will get to know their culture, the good side, yung maraming mababait sa kanila that if you're a foreigner, if you're not from there, they would treat you. Yun. May mga ganung very interesting yung kanilang culture, ha. Yun, nasingit ko lang. Kasi, give it away now. Give it away, give it. Yeah, with the head bobbing, habang kinakanta. Okay. So, next up we have happy birthday also to, who else do we gotta greet? Movie actor Tim Robbins. Pop singer Ina. You guys remember Ina? I Wanted You, yung popular song niya. Yeah. Comedian Andrew Santino, stand-up comedian. You guys look it up. Okay. And basketball player Manute Bol. He was born October 16, 1962, but he passed away in 2010 pa, tagal na rin, Manute Bol was the tallest ever to play in the NBA, in case you don't know. He's from Sudan, Sudanese basketball player. One of the tallest ever to play. I think, he is the tallest ever. At 7'7", grabe ha. 7'7", halos hindi natatalon yan Pero yung mother niya, 6'10", tsaka 6'8 lang naman, yung father and mother niya. Mother is 6'10", father is 6'8". So, you can see kung sino yung kawawa sa relationship na yun. Yabang nung tatay, 6'8 ako! Piningot bigla nung nanay, 6'10 ako. Uwi! Mas matangkad pa pala yung nanay. Pero he grew up to be 7'7". Alright? And then yung anak niya, who also became an NBA player, si Bolbol. I'm not being bastos. Yun talaga yung pangalan. Ano magagawa natin? Ito naman kasi si Manute Bol, roko-roko din, Alam niya na ang Bol yung apelido niya. Pinangalanan pa yung anak niya ng Bol. O ano nangyari? Bol-bol. Yung anak niya became a very talented basketball player. Parang unicorn. Alam niyo, yun yung uso ngayon Unicorn. Ang gusto kasi ng mga NBA teams ngayon, mga coaches, management, gusto nila yung matangkad, tapos shooter, tapos magaling magdala ng bola. Parang hirap nun eh. Siyempre, ang magaling magdala ng bola at shooter, kadalasan yung maliliit, di ba? Yung kagaya ko. Galing ko kaya mag-shoot. Shooter ako eh. Di ba? Napaka-shooter ko. Malayo pa lang, sinushoot na. Tsaka yung shoot na walang sayad, kaya nyo yun? Ibig sabihin nating but net. Yun, si Bol Bol also became an NBA player. I think si Bol Bol is also 7'7". Naman na yung height ni Manute Bol. 7'7" or 7'6" or 7'5", I don't know. I think Manute is taller. Ayan, okay? All right, so there you have it. Celebrities and the like celebrating their birthdays today. You're sharing your birthdays with them. All of you, October 16 birthday celebrants, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Your turn. You guys tell me who's celebrating the birthdays today. You text me up 0910-6909-501. Call or text me up, huh? 0910-6909-501. That's my official text digit. And yung mga gustong mag-comment sa live video, the live video is up also. All right? Just look it up on the Radyo Bandera page, my page, and Olongapo City related page because this is Radyo Bandera Olongapo. Yan, okay? Kaya yung mga pages na pinag-sharean ko, ha? Alam mo yon, it was submitted to the admin for approval. Approve nyo naman. Kasi ito yung nakakainis minsan, nag-share ako ng, I'm not lamenting, inaano ko lang, share ko lang, realidad lang. Di ba? You put up a page that says, halimbawa lang naman, Batangapo, Olongapo Tambayan, mga ganon. Gising Olongapo, yan yung mga yan. Halimbawa, nag-put up ka ng page na Olongapo related thing. Well, this is Radyo Bandera Olongapo. Tapos nakalagay pa, follow nyo tong page na to para manatili kayong update sa latest news and events within the Olongapo City. Tapos, here we are, a page trying to get in, trying to post sa sinabi nyo na related sa mga, relate sa pakay ng page. Pero makikita mo, pag tiningnan mo yung mga shinare mo, di ba merong manager your post, di ba? Anak ng tinapay, pending lahat. Walang pinapasok si admin. Anong pinapasok ni admin? For sale po, pamain po nito, pamain ng ganito, gano'n. Nothing wrong with selling, okay lang naman, wala namang problema. Pero sabi ng page mo, di ba? Magkabalitaan tayo dito, Olongapo, mga Olongapeño, para ito yung maging latest, yung maging source ninyo of latest news and update from around the city. And here we are called Olongapo News FM Radyo Bandera. Tapos lahat dinideny. Abay, nakakatawa. May, kinall out ko kasi yung mga nanggaganon. Bay, sabi pa nung isang admin, pag hindi kasi kayo nalilet in, message nyo na lang ako. Huwag kayong post ng post agad. Abay, palitan mo na yung pangalan ng Facebook group ninyo. Hindi na dapat Olongapo related name yan. Ang gawin mong pangalan, post that I approved. You control freak. Diba? Hindi naman ako nagiging hindi naman ako alam mo yon, yung nangunguna, mas marunong pa. Pero, yun yung nakalagay sa page nyo eh. Latest news and update from in and around Olongapo. Magkabalitaan, magkabalitaktakan. That's what we do. Di ba? Automatic na nga, wala na kayong gagawin. Hahayaan nyo na lang na pumost doon, Yan. Hindi man ako nagsisentimiento dahil, kino-call out ko lang yung mali ang yung wala sa ayos yung dating na wala sa laglag. Yung lalo na yung nagsabi ng kailangan daw sabihin daw sa kanya na i-approve, parang gano'n. Palitan mo na lang yung pangalan ng group page ninyo. Gawin mo na lang Post I approved. Yun na lang ang pangalan. Diba? Kung gusto mong kada paalam-paalam, samantalang ang dami nagpo-post ng wala namang kwenta, hindi naman nagpaalam. Automatic, pasok. Di ba? Sabihin ko ba yung page? Hindi, wag na. Ay, yung mga binanggit ko kanina, hindi yun ha. Sinample ko lang yung mga ganong page, sabi ko. Yung mga ganon. Pero hindi yun yung tinutukoy ko. Mamaya sasabihin ko pag off-air. Okay, so before we continue with the other, speaking of news and update, I got a lot for you guys. News and update, mga pwedeng gawin, mga gimmick, mga balita, and a whole lot more. Pero, pahinga muna. Daldal ko na. Dami ko na sinabi. No? Please stick around. We will be right back.